Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a chlorophyll facial. First, understand that chlorophyll provides excellent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits for your skin. To begin, ensure your face is completely clean and dry. Next, prepare your mask by mixing about 1 teaspoon of chlorophyll powder with a small amount of water until it forms a smooth, spreadable paste. This simple preparation is key to an effective treatment. Once your chlorophyll paste is ready, gently apply an even layer across your entire face, being careful to avoid the sensitive skin around your eyes and lips. Let the mask sit and work its magic for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, you might feel a slight tightening sensation. After the recommended duration, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water until all traces of the mask are gone. After rinsing off your chlorophyll mask, it's important to follow up with your regular skincare routine. Apply a hydrating serum and a good moisturizer to lock in moisture and soothe your skin. For best results, incorporate this facial into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Remember to always perform a patch test on a small area of skin before applying any new product to your entire face, just to ensure no adverse reactions. Regular chlorophyll facials can significantly reduce redness and inflammation, leaving your skin feeling calm and looking clearer. You might also notice an improvement in overall skin tone and a reduction in the appearance of enlarged pores. For an extra boost, try adding a drop of tea tree oil to your mask if you have oily or acne-prone skin. And hey, if you're looking for ways to simplify your life, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They're a game changer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.